Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about 2026 latest update. So guys, yes, you can finally change your Gmail address. So guys, if you have created your Gmail address before and now you want to change your email address, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, basically Google allows you to change your primary Gmail username while keeping all of your data, emails and account history intact. So guys, the old address remains as an alias, meaning you will continue to receive mail sent to both addresses. So guys, in order to change your Gmail address, you have to simply go to your Gmail account first and then go to manage your account, and then you have to go to personal info, and once you're here you have to tap on email, and then you have to wait for some time, and from here in this Google account to mail option you will get a small arrow button from here. So guys, you have to simply tap on this. Once you get that arrow button, you have to simply tap on that, and after this you have to simply follow the further instructions to change your email address. So guys, from here you will get a button to change your email address or Gmail address for this email. So guys, you have to simply tap on that arrow button and then you have to simply follow the instructions, and then you will be able to change your Gmail address very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.